All right, today I'm going to be creating some hands and redoing the forearms of her body with the hands on them so that they can be pulled out and cast separate. Well, that's what I'm planning. I'll have to see if I can. This one's going to be a hard one to do, but I think I can do it. Which means I'm going to have to cut the wire that's in the hands right now and make new arm and hand wire armatures out of this bonsai aluminum wire that I got from Amazon. Bonsai wire is what they wrap around bonsai trees, those miniature trees, to shape them. And it's very pliable and easy to shape and the right size of diameter on the wire. I'm going to be using monster clay for the hands and arm, and I've got something I got from a Google search, the size of hands and how to scale them to a human face, and this gives me the scaling for an adult and a teen and a baby. Well, I'm not doing a baby, but I will be doing an adult. This is going to help me to scale the hand to match her face size. All right. I'm not going to show everything. It's because I cover a lot of this in creating the human form and stuff like that on my instructional videos. And I'm just not going to cover it here. Let's see, I got to get the right angle for the arm. I think that is it. And how much will be clay? Oh, the clay will go up to about right there on the armature, and this will be just wire sticking into the clay. Now I've got some monster clay that I've had it under the light for a few minutes. Looks like it's got a little bit of regular clay in there. And I'm going to shape it and all that stuff, and I'll be right back. I shortened the wire that's going to go into the arm because, quite honestly, when the hand is next to the baby's cradle board, it'll help support it. And I don't want to put it too deep into the arm because then it'd be hard to get it out and hard to get it in. So all I'm going to do is block in the hand. I did a scaling of with the palm of the hand, how big it'll be, and it's just about that size right there. So I start with the palm of the hand. I think I'm going to bend it in a little. Yeah. I'm going to try to keep my camera where you can see it, what I'm doing, some of it. I'm going to have long periods of me not showing what I'm doing because, again, I cover a lot of this in my instructional videos. Now, the reason I'm using monster clay instead of my JMac plastiline clay is because it holds its shape better. Now the thumb is going to be on this side. I got to get my magnifiers on. My eyes aren't that good. I'm using the non-serrated side of the wire tool to smooth out the clay. Now I'm not going to worry about the inside of the palm of the hand. I'm only going to worry about the outside part of the hand, the part that's actually going to be showing. I'm just going to do a simple fingers together. It'll make it a lot easier to cast. When the hand stiffens up a little bit, because monster clay does stiffen up, I'll add some knuckles maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I want to get that detailed. But I'm going to do the other hand before I put them back on the body, because I want them both to have the now see, that finger's a little short, so I'm going to have to redo that one, or just squeeze it up a little bit. There we go. It's just a little short. Now I've scaled this to her face. I'm not going to mess with the fingernails either. Okay, now I got to work on the rest of the arm. I'm going to cut the arm off that I got on there now. I think that looks okay. Okay, as you can see, I've got the clay on there. Now it's just a matter of painting it to look like the clay that's on there. This will show me where I need to touch it up with regular clay. Looks a little shiny right now, but it'll dull up. All right, the paint is starting to dry and it's getting duller. What I use is a indoor water-based paint, flat finish. Still shiny up here and here. It'll be dry by tomorrow. But what it does, it covers up the clay with, and makes it look like the rest of the clay. And it also brings out, because it's a different color, it brings out blemishes I need to take care of. And I'll do that tomorrow. I'll also start the other arm and hand tomorrow as well. But I'm happy with how this one came out. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.